Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite and friendly tech YouTuber, Mr. Fore here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to go live on Facebook, okay? And we'll be using vMix to go live. vMix is basically like a streaming platform or a streaming software where we just, do whatever we do on it, and then it helps us to go live on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and the rest, So we'll start by going straight into our course for today. So first of all, I'll go to Facebook and then I'll go to live video. And now when you go to live video, you go live over here. So go live by yourself and whatever. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like my video. So we'll go to, when you open Facebook and you click on go live, you go to streaming software, and then what we are doing is that we need a key. So it's like, now we want to go live, but we don't have any connection between Facebook and then vMix, which is our streaming platform, or streaming software. So then the next thing we want to do is that we want to get a key to connect us to vMix. So what we'll do is that we copy this key, and then I always advise you come to advanced settings and ensure that this persistent stream key is turned on, okay, or is toggled on. So all you need to do is that you copy this key and then you go back to vMix. When you come back to vMix, you see this streaming thing here, you click on the settings, the settings button by it to configure streaming settings. So and when you come here, you select Facebook stream key, and then you paste your key here. Please, after you're done, don't quickly rush. The reason why we are doing this the quality is because sometimes, if let's say you are using the normal video transmission, let's say your church or wherever you are shooting, you are using a phone or a main camera to shoot the video. Why we do this setting is because sometimes your input will be sometimes the input would come in a larger pixels and all that. So all frames, all you need is that you select 7020p and then 1.5 mbps. So that's the megabyte per second. I have a new video I'll be uploading talking about the whole thing, the whole vMix software. And also I'm going to tell you, so you click on save and close. I'm also going to tell you some of the steps or some of the things you need to do so your video stops lagging for you. So when you're done, you click on stream, and then so this will turn to red. Normally you should know that when this turns to red, then it means that you are good to go, okay? So when this turns to red, then you are good to go. So when you come to Facebook, so now our video source has been connected, so we just need a title for this. So you need to meet two requirements. The first one is to connect a video, and the second one is to complete post details. So that's let's just say trial streaming video. So trial streaming video. So I'll just copy this. Oh, push it. And just do. Okay, trial streaming video. Then you realize this is. So the next thing we do is so you can also restrict the number of people or the group of people who you want them to see what you are streaming. So in this case, I want everyone to see. When I'm done, I'll just take it off. So you go live, and then let's try something and see. So I'll do this. So I'll just mute this audio and also loop it, and then the next thing I'll do is that I'll add this audio to it. Okay, I'll just add this audio to it. Yeah. when you go on Facebook, see we are live. We are live now. So yeah, basically that's how we go live on Facebook. And thank you for staying with me. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like my video as well. Thank you all for your time.